Hello everyone, my name is Justin. My registration number is UR15CS031. I got an experiment in data structure. It's about hashing. The question is hashing with collision resolution technique. For that, I've made a program. From here, using namespace std it starts. I'm declaring size h equals to 0 of integer data type and array name a. It can store up to 10 elements. It is of integer and I and c should be equals to 0. For insertion, I have created a function. In that, I am passing an argument of data, which will be of integer. After that, the function scope is start from here. Here, integer position equals to data modulo of size h. Then the array of a position should be double equals to -1, and at that position, the data will be stored. Else, for I equals to position +1, it will increment and modulo of size h. Then I should not be equals to that position. I should be equals to I plus 1 mod of size h. Then if a of I, that is array of I, should be equals to -1, then the a of I should be equals to that data. Then break that statement, and after breaking, if I is double equals to that position, it will print that the hash table is full. Otherwise, uh, it will display, go to the display function, and it will tell if c is double equals to 0, yes, it is double equal to 0, then it will tell no element present in the hash tables. For that, I am making a for loop for displaying. Here, I equals to 0, I should be less than size of hash, and I will be incremented. Then it will print the a of I, that is the first element will print. Then for searching function, same, I am passing an argument of integer data. Here I am declaring y of integer data type, and position should be equals to data modulo of size h. Then if a of position if double equals to data, the data will be at that position. Then return that position. For y equals to position +1 modulo of size h, a of y should not be equals to -1 and y should not be equals to that position. If y equals to y plus 1, then modulo of size h. Here, if a of y double equals to data, return that -1. Return that -1. After that, int main function will be started. In main function, I'm giving this line to the user. It will enter the size of the hash table. So the user will enter the size. After that, the size will be taken to that array. Then integer n, value, and character ch I'm passing. Then for loop is going to start integer k, which will be initialized as 0, and then this k should be less than that size, k plus plus. If the k equals to -1, the do loop will start from here. For that, it will ask the user that if you want to insert, then press 1, press 2 for display, and press 3 for the searching. Then switch statement is going to start. Here I am passing scene of n. I have given as integer n, so the user has to press the number 1, 2, 3. After the switch statement is going to start. In switch statement, case 1. First case is cout, enter the data to be inserted. This is the first statement. The user will enter the value. After that, the value will be inserted and c will be incremented. Then break the line. After breaking the line, it will go to the second case, case 2, which is of display. Then it will display what you have entered. Then case 3 is to searching the value. Which value you have searched, it will tell the position in which position it is. So after that, the value will be taken from the user, and it will search that value, and it should not be equals to -1. If it's equals to -1, it is present at that value, else it will show that it is not present. Then default I'm giving cout wrong input. If user enter more than 3, suppose he enter 4 or 5, then it will tell to me that you have entered a wrong input. So after that, if the statement of switch statement is closed, then I'm writing do you want to continue. If I want to continue, so I have to create a while loop for that. In that, ch should be equals to y or capital Y. Then return 0. As I have made it integer, so I'll the returning the value. After that, I'll build and run the program to show what is the output. Enter the size of hash table. The variable which you, the size which you need for your table, I have given as 4. So I have to enter. Here it's asking me the 3 options. You can see enter 1 for insertion, enter 2 for display, and enter 3 for the searching. I have to insert any value, so I have pressed 1. They enter the data which you want. So I need 1 2. I just enter. You want to continue, I press Y. Enter 1 for insertion. Same thing is asking. Yes, I want to enter, so I have enter more. Enter the data to be inserted. Enter 2 3. Then continue. Yes. 1 for insertion. Then again I have enter 1, and the data is 65. Again, and to continue, I press 5. Enter 1 for insertion. I have entered the data which you need. Can enter 87. Want to enter yes. Again, I want to insert. I press 434. Yeah, here you can see it's telling me that the table is full. You can't enter more. So if you want to continue, I press 5. So if I want to display, I'll press 2 for displaying. You can see 12, 65, 87, 23, which are the values which I have entered over here. As 4343 cannot be taken because the table is full. Do you want to continue? Is asking from me. Yes, I want to continue. Then I press 3. Which element, if you want to search, you can enter that number. Suppose I need to search 23. So I enter 23. You can see it is present at the third one. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is at the third position. It will start from 0 to n number 0, 1, 2, 3. So the value 23 is present at the third. So you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Again, if you want to search something, you can press 3. Suppose you want 12 to search. So I press 12. So you can see here it is telling me that 12 is present at the 0th one. It is at the 0th one. So it's asking me if you want to continue, you can press Y. I press sorry Y. So that's it. Thank you.